How to zoom with adjustment layer. To begin, I added some clips to my timeline and I like to zoom into them with an adjustment layer. Right-click in your project panel and select New Item, Adjustment Layer. The default settings should match your sequence. Click OK. Now drag adjustment layer above your clips and timeline, and set its length to be according to where you want to zoom into clips. Now go to Effects panel and search for Transform. Drag and drop Transform effect into your adjustment layer. With your adjustment layer selected, go to Effect Controls and under Transform. Now place the playhead at the start, and click on Stopwatch next to Scale and Position to create 2 starting keyframes. Move the playhead a little forward and increase scale to zoom in. And change position values to your liking. This will create the next 2 keyframes. Now we have this nice zoom transition. Move the playhead to where you want to start, zoom back and click on the circle buttons to create 2 keyframes with current value. Move the playhead a little forward and click on the Reset Parameter buttons to reset scale and position values. If you want to change the transition duration, just increase or decrease the distance between keyframes. I want it to be faster. Also, to smooth the transition, select the first 4 keyframes, right-click on one of them and select Temporal Interpolation, Ease In. Next, select the last 4 keyframes, right-click on one of them and select Temporal Interpolation, Ease Out. Now our transition is much smoother and happens faster. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.